So we have a Cupra Terramar in this afternoon until Friday, so 3 days again. We have just done the fermentor in a gloss. I'm gonna say it's like a bluey grey. That's had Ultimate Plus on wheels, glass, paint, plastics, etc. Single stage machine polish, interior coatings. And then the Terramar is a very similar car, looks quite similar. This is having Ultimate Plus, interior coatings, wheel coatings. So we've got the wheels off down here, ready for prep. We've prepped the vehicle. So with satin matte finishes, we can't polish at all. So the only preparation you can do is tar removal, fallout removal, obviously arches, wheels, etc. You can clay to an extent. You have to be so careful with clay on a vehicle like this. If you put the slightest bit too much pressure on that clay, you're gonna create a gloss spot. So it's basically you take out the finish and it goes glossy. Boy, is this camera heavy. So my shoulders. So we use a clay mitt rather than a clay bar. A mitt just spreads the pressure evenly without causing any damage when used right. That's all I say. As you can see, it's a lovely green satin finish. We've also been around and got rid of any mineral deposits. We've made sure there's no streaks or anything like that on the vehicle. And now we're going to coat it. So this is probably going to take the best part of 3 to 4 hours to coat. We are using Ultimate Plus, which is Wax's Dead latest, and it is industry leading. It's a single layer 10-year coating, and it goes on absolutely everything. So windows, wheels, calipers, lights, plastics, glass, you name it, it goes on it, and it's just insane. So yeah, watch the rest and hopefully you'll enjoy the video.
The paint actually, is that one of the, you've not put a wrap on it or anything, have you?
No, it's